In this video, how to find and apply Walmart promo codes 2026 update. I will show you step by step how to find and apply Walmart promo codes. First, go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After that, search for the product you want using the search bar. Type the product name and press Enter to see the available results. Click the product to open the product details page. Now click the Add to Cart button to add the item to your cart. Then click the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. Review the items in your cart to make sure everything is correct. Now click the Checkout button to continue. On the checkout page, look for the field called Promo Code, Discount Code, or Gift Code. This field usually appears before the payment step. Enter the coupon code in the provided field. After that, click the Apply button to activate the discount. If the code is valid, the discount will be automatically applied to the total price. You can also find promo codes on the Coupon Follow website. On Coupon Follow, search for updated Walmart promo codes. Choose one of the available coupon codes. Click the button to copy the coupon code. Then go back to the Walmart checkout page and paste the code into the promo code field. Click Apply to activate the discount. After applying the coupon, complete the payment normally. This is how you can save money by using Walmart promo codes.